Alright guys, so here's a little bit of what it's looking like. There's the pattern on the floor that I had already put in with the wood. What I'm planning on doing is going back on the sidewalls and actually painting them a little darker to match the black on the floor, because I think it looks pretty nice like that. So the only bad thing is I forgot my gimbal, and yeah, I won't be able to show y'all work in progress because I gotta, use both hands and stuff, but it's just the way it's gonna go. Alright guys.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Alright, so I've put the first coat of clear, and I missed those bottom angles right there, but you can see what it's gonna look like pretty much all the way around. I might have to come back and do some more, but there's the first coat on the floor. Looking pretty nice, pretty spiffy right now. So. Almost looking like as a finished product. I went ahead and stained everything. I'm gonna have to come back and sand that and repaint it, but with the cold front coming in on Monday, I wanted to make sure to protect the wood throughout the moisture as it comes through, because it's supposed to be rainy, cold, wet, and rainy. So we're definitely prepping for that. And by putting the second coat on here, it gives me a whole full day of it sitting here and drying up to make sure that this doesn't get dirty again. Y'all saw how bad it was. I'm definitely not letting it go to waste. So.